ऐसा आई थिंक जब भी हम लोग विकेट देखने गए ना तो कोचिज उधर खड़े थे, तभी उन्होंने कोई आदमी भेजा और बोला कि थोड़ा 2.5 मीटर इधर से दूर खड़े हो, विच वॉज लिटिल सरप्राइजिंग, क्योंकि इट्स अ क्रिकेट विकेट, डे आफ्टर 5 दिन का टेस्ट मैच होने वाला है और जॉगर्स पहन के हम खड़े थे, तो वो थोड़ा ऑकवर्ड लगा.
Thereafter, the Indian media went to speak to the curator, and it's on camera that he says that the Indian head coach is touchy, and he also says it could be tetchy, if that is the word used, means ill-tempered. And thereafter, he also asks the media if he is a good man. Now, this is the first in my 30 years of covering cricket that a curator is asking about the head coach on camera. Would you react to that? Don't want a diplomatic answer.
No diplomatic answer. See, we all have been on the ground enough, played so much cricket, and we all know that curators are little overprotective or little, possessive about the square and ground and all. So what he said about head coach, I don't really want to comment because that's his opinion, and everyone in this world have their opinions. But I think just looking at the wicket with a rubber spike, just day after there is a test match there, there's nothing wrong. You can't see the people, curators also needs to understand that the people they are talking to, they are highly skilled and intelligent people. So, for example, if you go on the ground now where we practiced, you won't even see that any bowlers in outfield would have marked with his spikes. So we keep spray. So we try and see, and that all comes from head coach, that we'll try and see that this ground also should not get damaged. So when you are working with a very intelligent and highly skilled people, if you sound a bit arrogant or if you come across like, you can be protective, but end of the day, it's a cricket pitch. It's not an antique where you can't touch because otherwise it's 200 years old and it can be broken, So that's what I feel. I mean, that's after a day, we were with rubber standing there. You tell me day after a day, a batsman will be sliding to survive from run out. A bowler will be sliding there to stop the ball. So maybe he's thinking that we are trying to grow the grass. I mean, I don't know. He said that we are trying to get this grass. Next wicket to the center wicket. I mean, I don't know how much grass will grow in one day and what will happen in next 5 days. So sometimes you want your ground to be good and square to be good, but end of the day, it's a cricket pitch.
कोच, जब आप लोग पिच देख रहे थे उसी दौरान ब्रेंडन मक्कलम और रॉब की ने भी आकर पिच देखा, तो उनको भी ऐसा बोला गया कि आप पिच से हट जाओ, या वो सिर्फ इंडियन कैंप के लिए वो इंस्ट्रक्शंस थी कि आप लोग दूर रहिए, वो कहीं पे भी खड़े हो सकते हैं? और सेकंड, जब बात पिच की हो ही रही है तो थोड़ा बता दीजिए पिच देख के कैसा लगा, बॉलिंग का क्या चल रहा है, बुमराह का अवेलेबिलिटी वगैरह थोड़ा डिटेल में.
नहीं, रॉब की और ब्रेंडन आया तभी, जब हम लोग वहां थे तभी उन्होंने बोला हो तो मालूम नहीं, मेरे सामने तो कुछ नहीं बोला. तो वो फर्स्ट आंसर. दूसरा कि विकेट में ग्रास है जो नॉर्मली अपार्ट मैनचेस्टर में थोड़ा कम था, बाकी तीनों जगह पे था, वो टाइप का ही है, थोड़ा मॉइस्चर है. सो इट जो टिपिकल अभी तक पहले हम 3 मैच खेले, बट फिर हर एक ग्राउंड का एक सोइल का अपना वो रहता है. तो यहाँ पे बोलते हैं कि नॉर्मली बाउंस अच्छा रहता है, अर्ली थोड़ा मूवमेंट रहता है, देन रन्स भी होते हैं. बट दैट अगेन हम 2019 से डेटा देख के बोलते हैं, 2025 में मैच खेल रहे हैं, तो जब खेलेंगे तभी मालूम पड़ेगा कि विकेट कैसा खेल रहा है.